And the cool thing about these roles is this is not a static bureaucratic artifact. As I said, these exist in a dynamic flux. They're constantly changing. And they exist in what we call a circle in holacracy. And a circle is the group of roles that all work together for some broader purpose. In this case, we have an outreach circle, which is kind of our marketing circle, and that holds the roles of holacracy spokesperson and web architect and many others. And this circle has a governance process. So about twice a month, we gather as a circle, and everyone who's filling a role in that circle is invited to join us and to participate. And in this process, we update these roles. We figure out, what do I need to count on from my colleagues? And we make proposals, and we process those through a disciplined meeting structure that allows us at the end of the day to have more clarity on what do we need from each other, more transparency on how we work. And this is happening throughout the organization in every circle, not just one. There are many circles throughout our company. And there are circles within circles. It's a very organic system. I like to think of this kind of like cells within organs within a body. This is the same kind of structure that you have, right? As a human, our bodies are full of autonomous units. Every cell has autonomy, right? There's no boss cell that tells the other cells what to do. Every cell has a boundary, has autonomy. It controls itself, and it has to be a part of a broader system. Right? It has some accountabilities to enact. It has to be a good citizen in its environment. And yet, broaden up one level, we have organs that are also autonomous entities. Right? They have their own functions, their own processes, and yet they exist within a broader system. This is nature's way of scaling. This is nature's way of dealing with complexity, lots of it, right? By distributing autonomy through every level of a system like this. And having governance, a function of actually dynamically, constantly responding to our environment and learning and changing, distributed again throughout the whole system. Same thing here. The other interesting thing with holacracy, these circles are not entirely disconnected. There's representatives of any broader circle within subcircles. So our general company circle, or GCC here, right? That circle has representatives in each of these subcircles you see, and vice versa. Right? Our outreach circle elects a representative to serve outreach, that circle's interests within the broader circle, to organize all of the other circles. So there's kind of this connected, distributed system that looks very different than any management hierarchy I've ever seen. And in every layer, there's autonomy, right down to the individual roles. Right? Very different way of running a company.